peace of mind in this crazy world. You're everything I try to find. Your love is a pearl. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies, and my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. The world will turn and the seasons will change. All the lessons we will learn will be beautiful and strange. We'll have our family tears, our share of sighs. My only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. You'll always be beautiful in my eyes. And the passing years will show.
Ang wish ko lang sana po, makatapos ng pag-aaral. Magipagpatuloy ang maging mabait na anak, mabait na kapatid, mabait sa pamilya. Yun lang po. Salamat po.
Lines upon my face from a lifetime of smiles. And when the time comes to embrace for one long last while, we can laugh about how time really flies. We won't say goodbye, true love never dies. You'll always be beautiful in my eyes. You will always be beautiful in my eyes. And the passing years will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful. Will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful, ever more beautiful, ever more beautiful in my
Why do birds suddenly appear?
Hi, Teres! Happy birthday! Wala na akong bibigay sa'yo kasi sobrang lahat na sa'yo na. So, happy birthday na lang and God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Therese. Don't worry about anything, but in all your prayers, ask God for what you need. Always asking Him with a full heart. I love you.
Hi, Super. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang, be a good girl, a good daughter to your parents, and good sister for your brothers. And happy birthday.
Sana ano ka, magandaan, tsaka happy birthday na lang.
Happy birthday. Katulad na sabi ng tatay mo kanina, ang hangad niya lamang ay makatapos ka. Katulad ko rin, yun din ang hangad ko. Dahil yun ang magagamit mo sa dadating mo pang mga buhay. Kaya inaasahan ko at malalaman ko naman sigurado yun na ikaw ay makakatapos sa iyong pag-aaral. Happy birthday!
Hindi, wala na akong masasabi. Nasabi niya ni Kuya Danny. Kuya Ronnie. Happy birthday na lang.
Matutog mo yung mga Ang wish ko siyempre, lagi yung pag-aaral. Una, pag-aaral, pagmamahal sa pamilya, mabait na bata, ang itapulit ang kapatid. Ikin na. Salamat.
Birthday. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral at huwag kang mag-aaral.
Hello, Tere. First of all, happy birthday. Wish ko para tagal kayo ni Dento. Saka sana mag-focus ka sa mga career mo. Kasi diba? Basta yun, masaya kasi.
Yun, ganun mo lang po ka. Ayos lang yan.
Sabi, maganda kang pa din. Happy birthday. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Galingan mo lagi ah. Happy birthday.
Wala akong wish kasi lahat ng mga bagay posible kay God. Siguro yung mawi-wish ko lang sa'yo is happiness and a strong bonding with your family. Love you.
Okay. Happy birthday, Tere. Thank you kasi mabait ka sa akin. Saka sa lahat ng minsan ko, ikaw yung pinakakaus ko. Saka sana mas madami ka pang ma-achieve sa life mo, mga dreams mo, and more friends to come. Wala.
So, happy 18th birthday, Tere. Sana sa birthday mong to, magiging masaya ka, tsaka, enjoy mo lang yung buhay mo, kung ano man yung mga trials na dumating. Magpakatatag ka lang kasi si Lord lang naman yung strength natin, tsaka great comfort. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Hi, Grace. Belated happy birthday. Wish ko lang, sana maging maganda yung future life mo. And good luck sa magiging career mo for the God bless.
Hi, Tere. Wish you all the best. Sana good health ka palagi. Mag-ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tere. Sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral, tsaka yung pangarap mo sa buhay, tsaka pangarap ng magulang mo sa'yo matupad kasi para sa'yo. Stay kung wala ka sa ibang tao, kung wala ka sa mga kaibigan mo. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tere. Happy 8th birthday. Good luck sa future mo and God bless.
Happy birthday. Wish ko sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Tapos salamat sa lahat kasi kahit nung birthday kasi happy birthday. God bless you. I love you.
Next up is Shireen Al-Qasim. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo, lahat ng gusto mo, sana matupad. Sana lagi kang maging masaya.
All I really want meant this much to me. I can't pretend, no, that I'm just a friend, cause I'm thinking maybe
Ang studies and hopefully maging successful yung future mo. Future niyo with sige. Future mo with your loved ones.
First of all, I want to thank my parents. Thank you so much. Speechless daw. To my friends, relatives, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Alright, so you make a wish and you blow all the 18 candles.
I'm falling for you. And I don't know what to do. Yeah, yeah. I'm falling for you.